how to get a motorcycle license in Alberta. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a motorcycle license in Alberta, Canada. Alberta has a straightforward process, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You must be at least 16 years old to apply for a motorcycle license in Alberta. If you're under 18, you'll need parental or guardian consent. If you don't already have a driver's license, you need to apply for a Class 7 learner's license. This involves passing a written test on Alberta's traffic laws and road signs. If you already hold a Class 5 license for cars, you can skip this step. Alberta doesn't require a separate learner's permit for motorcycles, but it's a good idea to practice with someone who holds a full Class 6 license. Consider taking a motorcycle training course to build your skills and confidence. Before taking your road test, you'll need to pass a vision test to ensure that your eyesight meets the requirements for safe riding. When you feel ready, you can book your Class 6 road test. This is a practical on road test where you'll be evaluated on your motorcycle handling, road awareness, and traffic navigation skills. During the road test, an examiner will follow you in a vehicle and give instructions via radio. Make sure to follow traffic rules, use proper signaling, and demonstrate safe riding skills. If you pass, you'll be eligible for a Class 6 motorcycle license. After passing the road test, you can apply for your full Class 6 license at a registry office. You're now licensed to ride a motorcycle anywhere in Alberta without restrictions. That's all for the video.